In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 steps to a great Facebook business page. Log in to your Facebook account. Then go to business.facebook.com, or you may log in directly to business.facebook.com. If you have not created a Facebook page before, you won't see a login button here, only the create account. Step 1. Create your business page and choose a good name. Go to this menu. Under Settings, click Business Settings. Under Accounts, click Page. This page shows multiple Facebook pages if you have created a number of pages before. Let's click this Add button. Choose Create a New Page. A pop-up window will let us choose a category for our business page. A local business or place is when we do have a physical business location, like a cafe or restaurant. If you're a big company, are you making a page for a brand having a product to sell, like an e-commerce shop? Are you an artist, a band, or a public figure or influencer? Entertainment or a community? Let's choose a local business. Input the page name and category. Then click Create Page. Now you will see under the pages that it has created our business page. This shows the assigned people and partners, such as our personal account, that we use to create this page as the owner or page admin. Go to the Business Manager link. This looks like your business page dashboard. You may see here your page created. The ad accounts are also displayed here if you have been using Facebook ads. So let's click our created page. Now we are able to see our business page. What we need to do next is to upload pictures. Step 2. Upload a profile picture and a cover photo. If you want to look for more free stock images to use, we do have a separate video for that, so make sure you watch it. The images that I will use here are downloaded from the Free Stock Images website. Let's make a cover photo. I'm using Canva to create one. You may choose a design as Facebook cover, and the dimension for the photo is already set up here. Let's choose an image we downloaded. We can add some text depending on our preference, then download it. Now we create a profile photo. Let's choose a logo. This is set to 500 pixels, and we need a 320 pixel photo, but we can resize that later. Once we're done, we may upload this photo. Going back to our Facebook page, we may now upload our created photos, starting with the profile picture, then the cover photo. Step 3. Customize the URL. Now that we have uploaded our photos for our business page, the next step is to make sure that our Facebook URL will be easily remembered or accessed related to our business name. As you may see here in the address bar, our Facebook page URL has lots of alphanumeric characters. To change it, click this Create Page at Username link. You will see a pop-up window asking you to input a username. The name that we will type here will be part of your business page's URL. Remember, you need to have a number of likes in your page before Facebook will allow you to customize this username. So if you get the error saying username isn't available, you're not eligible to create a username. You may close this window and try later. We may work out the number of likes of our page first so that Facebook grants us this privilege. Step 4. The next step is to add more details that will help our audience or customers to more about our business, products, or services we offer, where they can contact us by phone, messenger, email, website, and other social media accounts. Go to the Settings menu. Under Page Info, you may want to fill out this information as these will help optimize your page. Check your page. See the tabs if they are all relevant to be seen in your page, as you may add and remove menus here under the Settings tab. Choose Templates and Tabs. You will see all the tabs here. Choose the tab you want to remove, click Settings, then Save. Step 5. Set up the action button on page. By default, the text displayed in this button is Add a Button. You may choose Book with You if you want people to set up an appointment with you as they click this button. Contact You will direct users to send a direct message to you. Learn more about your business will make them watch a video directed to a website link, or you may upload it here on Facebook. This Learn More button will direct people to your website out of Facebook. Shop with You if you want people to direct them to your e-commerce page or a shop section on your Facebook business page where they can purchase some products you offer. Lastly, download the app or play your game. Let's choose Contact You so people can directly contact us, sending them to your website, send a message directly to your Facebook page's inbox, call now, sign up, or send an email. Now that we have set up our action button, we want to set up a greeting message to anyone who sends us a message. Go to the Settings menu, click Messaging. Jump to section of Response Assistant. Click Show a Messenger Greeting. It shows the default message seen by the customer, and you may edit a few parts of the message and personalize it so that it displays their first name. Setting up your Facebook business page properly will help your business page to get more likes, engagements with your posts, make your business more credible, and be seen as a reputable brand with your niche. Thank you for watching.